Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's video, we will show you how to set gradients in Photoshop. Open the photo you need in Photoshop. Click on Edit at the top menu bar. Choose Presets, Preset Manager from the list. A new window will open. Set preset types to Gradient. It has some gradients pre-installed. Click on Load. Choose the files you need and click on Load. Click on Done. Click on the Gradient tool from the left sidebar. Select the gradient you need and go ahead. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!